So here we come to our what could be argued is the most important piece of information you need to include in your calculation, which is the calculation properties section. So first off, you can give this calculation a name because remember, this is a calculation within a project. So you can have multiple therm calculations for different enclosures on the packing line or wherever it is in the factory under one project. And what we need to put in here is firstly the altitude above sea level, because if you go higher or lower, that will affect the performance of cooling products. It's set default at 0 to 500 meters, as you can see. Set internal temperature, so it's default at 35 degrees centigrade, which is the sort of factory / industry standard that we use and how we test our units to our regulations. You can obviously lower this or increase it as you see fit, but if in doubt, remain at this number. You then can add the minimum ambient temperature. So that would be the coldest it gets in the environment. So think worst case scenario, middle of winter, everything's shut off, HVAC is turned off, and everybody's gone home for Christmas break. How cold does it get? Does it get into the negatives? Is it outside? Those sorts of things. And then we have maximum ambient temperature. So obviously the opposite problem. What is the hottest it is going to get? So think middle of summer, heat wave, worst case scenario. These figures, even changed by 1 degree, can make a large difference. So we need to try and be as accurate as we can when choosing these. Once we have set these, we can go on to choose our enclosure.